Hello my dears. In the previous classes we were discussing the chapter integers. Today we can discuss question number 4 and 5 of the exercise 1.4. Fourth question says that write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b equal to minus 3. They have given one example like this, 6 and minus 2. See, 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, answer is 3. Positive divided by negative, answer is negative. So, answer will be minus 3. So, this is an example for this A and B. So, we have to find 5 more pairs. So, take 21 and 7. After dividing these two numbers, what will be the answer? 21 divided by 7. Answer will be 3. And which sign should we give for 21 and 7? See, we know positive divided by negative equal to negative and negative divided by positive, answer is negative. These two things we know. So, definitely we can say that one number should be positive and the other number should be negative. Whatever it may be, first number or second number, we can take as positive. So here I am taking first number as positive and the second number as negative. Then the value will be minus 3. After dividing, the value will be minus 3. Again, from these two numbers itself, we can take one more pair of integers a and b. 21 and 7. Instead of positive 21, we can assign negative 21, and instead of negative 7, we can assign positive 7. For these A and B, we will get answer as minus 3. Minus 21 divided by positive 7, answer will be minus 3. So, we got two pairs. Then, 15 and 5. 15 divided by 5, answer is 3, and I am assigning positive 15 and negative 5. Otherwise, you can assign negative 15 and positive 5. Then 9 and 3. Positive 9 and negative 3, otherwise negative 9 and positive 3. So these are the pairs A and B such that A divided by B equal to minus 3. In all these cases, you will be getting the answer minus 3. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So, in this question, we have to find out two answers. What are they? At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? So, first time is we have to find out the time. At what time the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. And next one. What would be the temperature at midnight? The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. See, we can take, see, at 0, this is the temperature 0 degrees Celsius. This is 0 degree Celsius and this is 2 degrees Celsius. This point is 4 degrees Celsius. This is 6 degrees Celsius and this one is 8 degrees Celsius and this is 10 degrees Celsius. They have given that the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. When the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, the time was 12 noon, that is 12 p.m. And each and every hour temperature is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius. So at 1 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius, and at 2 p.m. the temperature will be 6 degrees Celsius. At 3 p.m. the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. temperature is 2 degrees Celsius. 5 p.m. temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. And below 0, again 2 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 6 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, 12 degrees Celsius, and 14 degrees Celsius. And we have to write down the corresponding time of each and every temperature. So, at 2 degrees Celsius below 0, the time will be 6 p.m. 4 degrees Celsius, 7 p.m. 6 degrees Celsius, 8 p.m. 8 degrees Celsius, 9 p.m. 10 degrees Celsius, time is 10 p.m. 12 degrees Celsius, 11 p.m. After 11 p.m., after one more hour, what will be the time? Time will be 12 a.m. That is midnight. So, in this question, they have asked that what is the time when the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So, this is 0 and this is 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So, the required time is 9 p.m. And one more thing they have asked that what would be the temperature at midnight? See, 12 a.m. is the midnight, and what is the temperature there? 14 degrees Celsius below 0. So, required time is 9 p.m. and required temperature is 14 degrees Celsius below 0. That is compulsory. You should write 14 degrees Celsius below 0. Otherwise, you can write minus 14 degrees Celsius. The temperatures below 0 we will be representing by negative integers. Both the answers will be correct. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this question, please ask to me through comment box. Definitely I will give you a reply. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Maths Ninjas.